It's really hot, let's take a break. I know a snack that we can make. I'll teach you my cool recipe for fresh fruit ice cream. Try it with me. Aha! Fresh fruit ice cream, what a sweet treat. Fresh fruit ice cream, yummy to eat. We choose the fruit, 1, 2, and 3. We chop, 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 real carefully. Fresh fruit ice cream, what a sweet treat. Fresh fruit ice cream, yummy to eat. We freeze the fruit, it takes some time. We wait, wait, wait till we hear a chime. Oh, yeah! Oh! Fresh fruit ice cream, what a sweet treat. Fresh fruit ice cream, yummy to eat. We grab the fruit, so delish, and blend, 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 till it's all squished.
Yay! Huh?
Fresh fruit ice cream, what a sweet treat. Fresh fruit ice cream, yummy to eat.
Yay!
Ice cream's done, let's try a bite. We munch, 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 it tastes just right. Fresh fruit ice cream, what a sweet treat. Fresh fruit ice cream, yummy to eat.
Yummy, yummy ice cream. Fresh fruit ice cream. Uh-oh. Yeah!